Today, we're diving deep into the world of web browsers to help you confidently choose the perfect one for your needs in 2025. By the end of this video, you'll not only know which browser suits your priorities best, whether that's speed, privacy, customization, or built-in features, but also how to make sense of the subtle differences between top contenders like Brave, Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Waterfox, and Chromium. Let's jump right in. First up is Google Chrome. If you've spent any time online in the last decade, you've probably come across Chrome's familiar logo. In 2025, Chrome continues to lead the pack in both speed and market share. It's generally the fastest browser across almost all benchmarks, from loading complex web apps to streaming videos. Why does speed matter? Well, it means less waiting, whether you're watching YouTube, working on Google Docs, or hopping between tabs. Plus, Chrome boasts a huge library of extensions to supercharge what you can do. For anyone who relies on Google services or loves having every tool at their fingertips, Chrome is still a powerhouse. That said, Chrome's privacy is a bit of a trade-off, since it tends to collect more user data compared to its competitors, so it's worth weighing that if privacy is important to you. Next, let's talk about Brave, a browser that's made privacy and performance its hallmark. Brave is fast, lightweight, and designed to use less RAM, which means it's easier on your computer and your battery. What really sets Brave apart is its built-in ad and tracker blocker. You don't need to install anything extra. It's all there by default. This not only makes your browsing experience faster and more efficient, but it keeps your private data away from third-party trackers. Brave is perfect for folks who value privacy and want a snappy, low-maintenance browser. And if you want to support websites via Brave's optional ad rewards, that's a neat bonus. If you've ever felt bombarded by ads, Brave might just feel like a breath of fresh air. Firefox is another solid contender, especially if you appreciate customization and powerful security features. Think of Firefox as the browser you can truly make your own. It offers a vast array of add-ons and themes, allowing you to tweak everything from appearance to functionality. Privacy-wise, Firefox is strong. No data collection by default, plus robust privacy controls, so you're always in the driver's seat. It's historically been a little slower than Chrome in head-to-head benchmarks, but the gap is narrowing. If you love personalizing your workspace or you're particularly cautious about online security, Firefox could be your ideal choice. Opera, on the other hand, stands out with some unique built-in features. If you want convenience, Opera bundles a free VPN and ad blocker right into the browser. No extra downloads or subscriptions required. This can be incredibly handy if you travel, use public Wi-Fi, or want an extra privacy shield without hassles. Opera's performance is quite good, and while it isn't quite as customizable as Firefox, it offers enough flexibility for most users. Just keep in mind that Opera is based on Chromium, meaning it shares some similarities with Chrome under the hood, but goes further with these built-in tools. Finally, there's Chromium itself. Chromium is the open-source base that Chrome and many other browsers are built on. If you're a developer, privacy enthusiast, or someone who just wants a minimal browser without all the extras, Chromium might be worth a look. It's fast and light, and since it's open source, you, or browser companies, can tailor it to specific needs. However, the vanilla version skips many features found in Chrome, so most users will prefer finished browsers with more polish and functionality. So which browser should you choose? If privacy and performance are your main concerns, Brave is a fantastic pick. For pure speed and the richest extension library, Chrome remains king. If you want maximum customization and airtight privacy settings, Firefox has you covered. For convenience, especially if you like the idea of a built-in VPN, Opera makes life easy. And if you're a developer or hacker at heart, Chromium is a flexible, blank canvas. I hope this comparison helped you make sense of the browser landscape in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, drop your questions or favorite browser in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more clear, practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.